Hello, welcome to English 634, Writing and Rhetoric, Writing for Public Audiences. I'm Professor Catherine Savini, and I'm looking forward to working with you this summer. The purpose of this video is to provide you a brief overview of the course. The first place you're going to want to start is the Start Here section. In the Start Here section, you'll notice there's a welcome, a bio, a syllabus, and a grading contract. Spend a little bit of time reviewing each item. The grading contract explains how you will be graded in this course, and it's not a typical grading system. Instead of being graded on the quality of your work, you will be graded on the amount of time you spend on your work each week. This is the communication section. This is where you learn about how to communicate with me and your classmates. If you have a question that you think the rest of the class might benefit from the answer to, you can go in the Ask the Instructor forum. If you would like to talk amongst yourself, go into the student lounge. I will check in there every once in a while, but for the most part, this is an area for you to interact with each other. If you would like to write me individually, use the internal message tool right here. In the announcement section, you'll see that there's the Zoom link for the class. The class will meet every Tuesday, Thursday from 5:30 to 7:30. Synchronously. And we'll use the same Zoom link each time. You won't be able to get into the class until I've opened the window, so be patient. These are the first 2 weeks here. Week 1, you'll see that you have some readings to do, and you're expected to introduce yourself over the course of this week. First, introduce yourself, then go through and read these student texts and analyze them using ethos, logos, and pathos. I look forward to meeting with you on the first Tuesday of this class over Zoom.